Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you how to lock an external hard disk with a password. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, the easiest way basically to password protect an external hard drive on Windows is by using BitLocker, which is basically a built into many versions of Windows. So first you would like to connect your external hard drive on your computer and wait for it to appear in the file explorer. So an example here in my file explorer, I do not have it connected yet, so let's just connect that first. For me, my external hard drive is separated into two drives, as you can see. So you would like to look as example one of them. Or for you, it could be only one. So for you, just wait for it until it appears into the file explorer once you plug it into your PC. Then you would like to open the BitLocker. So you can click on the Windows key and type BitLocker. Once you do so, you'll find this example BitLocker drive encryption right here. So at the moment, I do have the BitLocker is off. You can go and hit turn on. And as you can see, this will turn it on into this drive. For me, I don't want to turn it on into this drive. I can turn it on into this drive if I want to. So you can just go and turn it on into the drive that you want to lock. So as an example for me, since those two is my external hard drive, if I want to lock them both, I'll have to turn on the BitLocker into both of them. But for me, I'll just lock one of them. For example, I'll lock this one. So all I need to do is just go and click on turn on BitLocker. As you can see, please wait while BitLocker initializes the drive. Don't remove your drive during that. So here you have two options to give it a password. So you can use a password to unlock the drive, or you can use my smart card to unlock the drive. Since you want to set a password, all you need to do just go and choose your password. So enter the password that you want and re-enter the password. And then here go and click on next. Once you click on next, you can either save it to your Microsoft account. So basically as a backup, basically the recovery key, do you want to save it to your Microsoft account? Do you want to save it to a file, or do you want to print it? For me, I'm going to click on save it on a file, and I'm going to keep it here on my PC. So I'm going to keep it in the local PC, not on the external drive. So click on next, and as you can see, choose how much of your drive to encrypt. You can encrypt, use the disk space only. It is faster and best for new PCs and drives. Or encrypt the entire drive. It's slower but best for PCs and drives that is already in use. So for me, I'm going to use the fast option. Click on next, and here you can choose which encryption mode to use. You have the new encryption mode. It's best for fixed drives on this device. Or you have the compatible mode. It's best for drives that can be moved to this device. So choose the one that you want, click on next, and click are you ready to encrypt this drive? Click on start encrypting, and all you need to do now is just wait for this and do not inject it until it's done. Once it's done, as you can see, BitLocker encrypting. So now, once you are done, your drive is getting encrypted. So you'll have to wait for it until it's finished. And of course, if you want to remove the BitLocker, you can either click on manage BitLocker, or you can open it again as example from here, type BitLocker, and you'll be able to open it up. Once you open it, go to the drive that you want, and you'll have remove the password option, and you'll be able to remove it however you want. You can turn on the auto unlock if you want to. You can turn off BitLocker if you want to as well. So as example, let's just say you want to turn it off. You can do that with entering the same password again. And that's basically it. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.